Right guys, I hope you're well. So today we are going horse riding. So we've been doing horse riding for a couple of weeks now. We'd say we're beginners still. So yeah, so today we're gonna go horse riding. I'm going to try to get as much as I can on camera, but obviously when I'm on a horse, really won't have the phone on me. So we'll talk you through at the end. And I've got some older clips of us where we're on the horses, so we can put them in and show you. So we are going to, where are we going?
Cliff Hollins Riding School.
Cliff Hollins in Bradford. Pretty good. I would recommend them. We've been going there for a couple of weeks and they are really good. And afterwards, what we're going to do is we're going to go to a shop as well, which sells horse riding equipment. So we'll show you a bit about that as well. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll put a few more clips on when we're closer. Do you know what? I think we're going to get there really early this time.
Really early, we're going to get there at 22.
So it's, what time is it now? It's 12:34. Funny story, today was my day off. And I says to Amma, I said, listen, what time, I texted me to say, what time do we need to be there for? And he went, 11 o'clock. So I said, okay, be at mine for 10:15. And he's not going to be there 10:15, so 10:30 was a good time. So today morning, messaged him, he was outside my house for 10:30?
10:30,
yeah, so we drove down. We got there for 20:30, it took us 10 minutes. And the girl there, she says to us, you're really early. Turns out we didn't have to be there till 1 o'clock. So we drove all the way back, and now this is our second time going to the horse riding place. So yeah.
I'm just so keen.
Can't tell the time, bro. So hopefully this time is the right time. And yeah. What was gonna happen there, bro? Let me turn the camera. We were gonna go into.
We're gonna be very late. That's for certain.
So this is Cliff Hollins in Bradford. Really nice school. This is the yard that we'll be in. Yeah, you can get it through there. So yeah, Cliff Hollins, and you can already see somebody's on a horse already. So we've got here. It's a cold day, plenty of breeze, so it should be fun. And the views are amazing from up here. Let's go. So we've just finished our riding, and Amar here did it all on his own. So he did trotting, didn't he, today? And they were really good, massive improvement. I mean, we've only had what, 5-6 lessons?
Yeah,
so 5-6 lessons.
5 lessons, yeah.
And he's trotting. I mean, I've done it a few lessons more than him, so I've been trotting. Today I started cantering here, and this is the first time I've cantered here on a really bouncy horse. So it didn't really go well.
No, it went really well. I think it did well, no?
I've got a clip of it.
Okay.
The part where I'm just bouncing on the horse. I can canter, but not on the horse. But yeah, he did really well trotting. I did trotting and cantering, or start of cantering. And then now we are going, where are we going?
We are going to Burn Hill.
Burn Hill, apparently it's a really good horse riding equipment. So we're going to go check that out now. So we'll show you that as well. And then after that we might go outdoors.
Go outdoors, yeah.
Go outdoors. So yeah, so we'll see what we buy today and if we're gonna spend some money today. Right, so we're just at the shop now. Pretty cool. So we're just looking for things to buy. And yeah, we're gonna check out some boots now. Just over there. And hats as well, that we need. Doc, what are you buying?
I need some wellies.
Wellies. Doc, come here. Try these on, bro. You look like a minion, bro. I quite like this, you know.
I quite like this one, though. Looks quite different. I got a bright idea.
That's such a bad joke, bro. So we just went to Burn Hill in Cleckheaton, and we just realised that horse riding is a very expensive hobby.
Extremely expensive.
Like, don't get me wrong, I quite like that hat, but it's not worth the money that it's on the price tag.
I mean, one is for 200 quid. Jesus.
At least for £200. So yeah, we're gonna go to the next shop now, which is
Go outdoors.
Go Outdoors. And we're gonna try to look for some gloves because our hands are frozen from today's lesson. So yeah, follow us there. This guy. Do you know when family say give us your Eid money and we look after it, and you never see that money again? We're gonna go outdoors. Did we go outdoors?
Petrol prices have gone up now, haven't they? We can't.
So it's now 3 o'clock, school time. He saw a bit of traffic and he went, we're not going today. So I'm disappointed, but
I hope you're disappointed too.
I know you will be, but I'm really disappointed. But what we've done something productive. So we've gone horse riding today.
Yes.
We have gone to Burn Hill.
Yeah.
We found a few prices, and we got a few things that we know what kind of direction that we want to be looking at buying things. So we are going to order. Already I've got a I got a whip. So yeah, this is my whip. It's a schooling whip, so we've got that. But yeah, we're gonna get a few more things. But thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. This was our clip for our horse riding lesson today, and we will be posting more soon. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share to someone who likes horses.